everyone, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching. So today I'm going to show you how I've made this rocker card using the Magic Roundabout collection. I actually made this as a sample for the launch. So the video you're going to see in a minute is a little bit older. So I'm just putting my intro in because I forgot to do it. But these are lovely. I also have done, since this, a rocker card tutorial using your scraps, so you might want to look at that one as well, because there's some really fun different ways to make the rocker card. But it's a lovely style, and I just thought it worked perfectly with this gorgeous Magic Roundabout collection. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make it. Using my circle cutter today, but you could use dies as well, or you could draw around a side plate, dinner plate, whatever you've got that's circular. These are the papers. So it's a 6x6 paper pad, the Magic Roundabout, and you get all your lovely sentiments there, and the papers there. You can see they're gorgeous. They're so much fun. There's the green trees and that one there as well, which is one I'm using today. So I've gone ahead and prepared all of the decoration. That's the ephemera pack. So you've got a hot air balloon image there. You've got loads of other characters. I haven't counted actually how many's in this, but it's usually around 35 pieces, I think, with these ones. So I've cut here a 6-inch diameter circle. Like I said, use your dies, draw around a side plate, whatever size it is. You just need to make sure you can make an envelope for it. And if it is a bit bigger, I've got the custom envelope tutorial here, and I show you in there how to make your own envelope for any size card that you have. But if you've got this, I just set it to 6 inches like so. Just twist that around, and then just make sure when you're cutting that you've got like a self-healing mat, a protective surface there, and then just cut that out. I then cut again using the pattern paper, and this one is 5 3/4, I think it was. Yeah, 5 3/4, and then just cut that in half, and it will give you your matte layer. And then do that again in white, and then you've got a piece for the back. I then scored this in half, so just score it 3 inches right down through the middle. Okay, and then you can see now how that's all going to fit there. You also need a stopper so that it doesn't fan out and kind of fall over. This is a piece of 3.5 by 1 inch card. Along the 3.5 side, you want to score at 1, 1 3/4, and 2.5. So you should have 1 inch squares at each end, and then 3/4 sections in the middle. If you do a mountain, valley, mountain fold, basically just want an M shape like so. We're going to put it in the card like this. It's going to then open out. The most it can open out is 1.5 inches. These are going to be stuck on each side. In fact, we'll do that now, and then, because some of you might find it actually a bit easier to work with the card when it's kind of already upright. So just add some glue to one of the sides there, and just stick it towards the bottom and in the center, like so. Okay, fold it all flat. Okay, and just squeeze that M shape down and close that so that can stick. And now we've got our stopper. So the most it can open, like I said, is that 1.5 inches, which is plenty, and you'll see it will rock nicely there. So I'm just going to now stick my pattern paper on and stick your card for the back, so you've got somewhere to write your message. So now it's ready to decorate. So in the ephemera pack, you get this lovely large image here of the carousel, and then I picked out these 2 characters here because I liked the way they were kind of looking at each other. And then the sentiment is "Have a magic day," which is from the papers, and I've made these big rosettes. So this one here is 2 pieces of 1.5 by 8, and then along that long side I've scored it every 1/4 inch. And then if you head over to my rosette tutorial here, then that will show you how to put them all together. And then this one here is 2 pieces of 1 by 8, and again along the long side score it every 1/4 inch. So I've just taken the same colours in the papers here and in the card, and what I want to try and do is this is going to be really over the top, this card, but I thought about having the rosettes behind. And you'll have to try and balance this card as well, because obviously, it might just end up rocking more to one side. And I don't know, I just thought rosettes and fair, and it just all kind of goes well. See, that's quite nice. I like that look. Or maybe if I have the blue over that side, and then that one down here, I want that a bit higher. Obviously, the higher you have this, then again, you'll need to, you know, look at your envelope size. This will go in a box envelope. I've got box envelopes for so many size cards now, and I've got a whole tutorial for that as well. So you'll definitely be able to get an envelope. And then I thought about having her kind of maybe there. I thought the little flower looked nice at the top. Oh yeah, I've got the other sentiments. So I've got birthday wishes, which was going to go up here. And then have a magic day. And then this one down the bottom. He'll be lifted up on some foam. And then there was these strips because I thought it was nice to just maybe add a little bit more detail along the bottom. But that's where I'm thinking of going with this. Once I've stuck it all down, I'm going to see how it then rocks, because what I might do is add an acetate strip and have like a butterfly or something. I'm going to see what other, I mean, I could actually have Zebedee just kind of like he's just, you know, flying away. So then that will help me balance it all. So I'm going to get my hot glue gun on, because I just prefer using that when I'm sticking the rosettes down. So there is the finished card. Like I said, it's over the top, but I love it. And I've managed to balance it because it rocks really nicely, and then it just finds its center again and just stops perfectly. So I'm not going to add any more to this. Like I said, you can add acetate strips and have butterflies and all kinds of different things, you know, decorated on these. Have a look at the rocker playlist, because I've got quite a few different styles on there now. But I think that's really, really cute. I absolutely love this. Again, put a big birthday number on this. It's great for kids. You can have big circles on there layered up. There's just so many ways to decorate these rocker cards, but I really like this one, and it's super easy and pretty quick as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this rocker card tutorial from me today. As always, I'll have all of the product that I've used linked in the description box below. I'll have some more of the rocker cards coming up now as well. You might want to watch those next. And if you've enjoyed today, please give me a thumbs up, because it really does help out the channel. And I'll be back again very soon. Take care. Bye.